A few years back, I was doing a lot of writing and I ended up publishing my own book. Yay! And a couple people have asked if it was very difficult to do and what the process was. So I thought I'd put together a couple videos to get some people started. It's not a very difficult process, but there were a few bumps along the road, and I thought maybe this video might clear some things up. First, I used Createspace, which I think is a really good format. It's free and fairly easy to use, but I think the website can get a little bit confusing. You might want to just sign up for a Createspace account first. Not necessarily your first step, but you can do that first. And it's easy and it's free. Put in an email, password, first and last name, country, blah blah blah, right? And voila, you have a Createspace account and you're ready to publish. But if you are, if you're a writer and you're considering self-publishing, you probably already have something in the works, and you've typing in your Word document, and you have chapter after chapter after chapter. I want to stop you because it might help you right now if you first, before you do anything else, and this is just a suggestion, I don't know if it'll help or not. I think it would have helped me with my first one, that if I went to this page first, the Createspace interior templates, and if I Google search that, it'll take me to a page in the Createspace community where it will have templates for the size and formats of books that they develop. And so they'll create a book for you in many different sizes, all right? And it will be, you can download a template that will have it all pre-formatted for you. And it would be my suggestion to make things very easy to first download one of those templates. And let me show you what one looks like. So I picked the 6x9, and it's going to open up in Microsoft Word. Very, very nice of them to do that. And everything's all set up for you. And you can see with my two-page view that you have the book title all set up for you. We can just change the title. Let's see, Create Space Example. All right. Let's make it my Createspace example. And author name. And you can edit anything on here if you like. Acknowledgements, table of context, and here's your first chapter, and there's your text. And it really doesn't take anything to copy and paste whatever you've already created and put it into this formatted version, so that when you are finished with your masterpiece, it'll be the following steps will be much easier to continue. If, however, you are having someone else edit for you, and on the off chance that you are using Google Docs, then I have one caveat. If you were to take this template and you transfer it over to a Google Drive or Google Docs, the format won't stay the same. And in order to combat that, this is the only part that I found I have difficulty with. And in order to fix that, all I do is take this section, which is in a table, and I expand it. All right, so it's nice and large. Let's see, let's make it even bigger. And that way, when I transfer it over to Google Docs, to have my friend edit it for me, if you're not familiar with Google Docs, you could put something on Google and give access to somebody else, and they can go in and edit it for you. You can work on it collaboratively. But if you do that and you use this template, it's not going to format correctly. And so this is the only problem that I foreseed there. All right, so that's just for the select few. If you have that problem, you know what I'm talking about. So that's my solution. All right, so once you have created your masterpiece and you're all set, all right, let me save my masterpiece. What did I save it as? Let's see, save as. let's say my Createspace example. Alright, there's my Createspace example. Then the next thing I would do would be go to my Createspace account. And so, you know what? I'm going on 5 minutes, and I'm going to stop this video now, and when you come back, we'll make our book.